Yo, what's going on, guys? My name's Eric, also known as Dad Hats, and today we're back at the track, and it's actually quite crowded. I think Track Night actually ran a $50 off coupon, and considering that I think the entry fee is like $200, it's a good deal. So people crowded in, and we're going to be fighting our way through traffic just to get a little bit of clean track. Let's hop into it.
This is some bullshit, dude. What are you doing, bro? Really seems to help me rotate even there. Oh, the gear got stuck there. That was weird. Did the session just get black flagged? Dude, what is going on here? Oh, shit. Is that the M3 I was following? Fuck, man. Oh boy, we caught the traffic. Jeez. Hopefully someone else hits that. Not me.
So this lap would have actually been my best lap of the session, but I actually ran into traffic. Also, check out this Spec Miata too we're going to be coming up on. I obviously have the inside line here, so I'm forced to carry less speed, but check out the Spec Miata in the rear view doing Spec Miata things.
Looks like we caught the pack here. Come on. What are we doing? What the fuck are we doing? Oh my god. Please, Flagger, pay attention. Where are we at here? Come on. Hello? What are you doing? Oh my god. exciting.
Let's watch that back in slow-mo. As you can see, we're trail braking pretty well there, and we turn it in just a little bit too much, keep trailing the brakes, and since it's a downhill too, the rear really likes to come around, and the rear just steps out on us, but thankfully I was able to catch it.
Hopefully I don't catch these guys. Ooh. Come on, go, 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 everyone! No.
Across the line, we end up with a 1:16.0, which, funny enough, was the same exact time I got in similar weather before I added the rear sway bar. So now that I added that rear sway bar, it hasn't seemed to change my time at all, but it does give me more of a playful feel to the balance, so I really do enjoy it.
Well, 16 flat is the best I could do today. Not terrible for the weather. It's just going to be impossible. Ooh, this section is, man, this is like my favorite. It's so fast through here. But yeah, like I was trying to say, it is impossible to be able to compare the lap times with the rear bar and without, because the weather was just so different from my last personal best. Maybe I'll try and compare it to like a similar day.
I may not have had a ton of opportunity to do a bunch of clean fast laps, but from what I can see of my optimal, it looks like I'm about 200ths away from my optimal time. So pretty good, pretty happy with that. Couldn't have gotten much quicker today. And yeah, I think that's pretty much going to do it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care.